gotta go up here. Let him take the picture first. Wait there, Ollie. Sorry. Sorry, I just go with him. Sorry. Jeez, you two are like professional climbers. Slow down. Boys. Take the water by here. Stick your head in. Take your time. Ow. Whoa, it's like what's coming out of that hole? There's something in there.
Look at all the little... This is what's inside, it's not even sand.
Wow.
This is what it
Limestone. There's traps everywhere.
There's quicksand. Oh yes!
Careful, get out of the quicksand. Where are my legs gone? Tommy, grab my hands. Pull me out of the quicksand. Ollie, come out of the quicksand, quick. That's it, all right. Okay. That's where we go. Should we go this? That's it. No, go that way. No one there. Oh, what is it?
It just instantly dries. Look at it on the camera.
It's like weird sand, and it gives us grip. It gives us traction on the waterfall. No, that's slippery.
Yeah, slippery. You should have said that.
Well, I thought I'd let you get in the slippery bit first, I can tell you. For like a lesson. Slippery. Come in.
This is where we started.
Oh, wow. We've been travelling miles. We haven't done this one, have we? We haven't done this.
Now it's like we just started the youthful.
We haven't done this one.
Yes, we have that. We have.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. We didn't go around here, we went around the other way. Look at it. Proper rock climbing. No, look at this. Hold on, Tom. No, no. Take your time. No, hold on to the rope. Ollie, you got to come back to the rope. Ollie, come back here. Hey, go on. Tommy, wait there.
Maybe still stop.
No, grab the rope. No, go straight up. You okay? You okay, yeah? Ollie! Come on. Ollie! Help him. Good boy. Step over. Step out. Don't get too close to that, boys. Oh, look where we are.
Ollie, no, Ollie, stop.
Just take that in for a minute. Look at that view.
This is beautiful. Can you do it again?
I think it's closed. That's why he's blowing the whistle. Okay. Go. Let it go. Tom, take your time. Olly Tommy, walk around the chair, walk around the front. That's it, put your foot in the water. Well, that's waterfall climbing, Tom. This is not for beginners, this is pros. And he's done it without putting his foot in, that's because he's a pro. No, off now, off now. Take it over. And we've done it, boys. We made it to the top. What do you think? What do you think of the Sticky Waterfalls?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
9.9 out of 10.
9.9 out of 10.
Okay.